Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get money in Hamster Kombat. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, if you're using the Hamster bot game, you might wonder how to earn from it. Let me explain briefly. In the game, you can upgrade cards, increase your profits per hour, level up your friends, and use token listeners. Now, let's head over to the bot for a detailed overview of how this works. On the dashboard, to start earning, you simply tap on the rabbit icon or similar. This action helps you level up your earnings incrementally. This is the first way to earn. The second way involves tapping on the mine icon. Here, you can buy upgrades and boosts from the market section, which includes PR and team legacies and specials. Using these boosts can enhance your earnings significantly. For the daily combo, you need to find 3 specific cards within the app. Once you find these cards, you'll receive a reward of 5 million coins. This daily task is a fun way to increase your earnings, and I plan to make more videos explaining it in detail. You can also earn by referring friends. Each person you refer earns you 5,000 coins, and they also receive 5,000 coins upon joining. Another way to earn is by logging in daily. The more consistently you log in, the more you can earn. I've already claimed today's reward, so make sure to check in daily. Additionally, completing tasks on the task list can boost your earnings. These tasks vary and can be found within the app. Keep an eye on the airdrop section too, as the coin is set to be listed soon. Once it's listed, I'll make a video on how to exchange your tokens for money. That's essentially how you earn from Hamster Kombat. When the coin is listed, I'll provide instructions on how to exchange your tokens for cash. So that's basically how to get money in Hamster Kombat. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.